ChatGPT is one of the most advanced chatbots in the world. It can generate realistic text, code, and images, and it can chat with you about almost anything. But it's not the only one. There's a new chatbot to watch out for, and it's called Grok AI. It's backed by Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who owns X, formerly known as Twitter. Grok AI claims to be better than ChatGPT in every way. It can access real-time information from the world, handle spicy topics, and even create images from your descriptions. But how does Grok AI work, and what makes it different from ChatGPT and other chatbots? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the history, features, and challenges of Grok AI and see if it can live up to the hype. This is the ultimate showdown of the chatbots, and you don't want to miss it. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the Stock and Hustle community, where we explore the latest and greatest in AI and business. Now let's get started. So, what is Grok AI, and who is behind it? Grok AI is a chatbot that uses a generative AI model to create natural and engaging conversations with humans. It was developed by x.ai, a secretive AI startup founded by Elon Musk in 2022. x.ai stands for Extreme Artificial Intelligence, and its mission is to create the most advanced and versatile AI models in the world. Grok AI is the first product of x.ai, and it was launched in November 2023 as part of x.ai's early access program. Only a select group of people can access Grok AI right now, and they have to be X Premium Plus subscribers. If you're unaware, X is the new name Musk chose for Twitter after he bought the company in October 2022 for $44 billion. But why did Musk create x.ai and Grok AI? Well, Musk has always been interested in AI, but he also has some concerns about it. He thinks that AI could pose a threat to humanity if it becomes too powerful and uncontrollable. He has warned about the dangers of AI many times, and he even co-founded OpenAI, a research organization that aims to ensure that AI is aligned with human values and can be used for good. But he also thinks that AI can be a great tool for solving some of the world's biggest problems, such as climate change, poverty, and disease. He believes that AI can help us achieve a sustainable, clean energy future, and he has invested in several companies that use AI for various purposes, such as Tesla, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. He also thinks that AI can be fun and entertaining, and he has shown his appreciation for chatbots like ChatGPT, which he has used to generate tweets, jokes, and even lyrics for a rap song. But Musk is not satisfied with the current state of AI. He thinks that there is still a lot of room for improvement, and he wants to push the boundaries of what AI can do. That's why he created x.ai and Grok AI to explore the frontiers of AI and create something that no one has ever seen before. He wants to make AI more accessible, more intelligent, and more creative. He wants to make AI that can learn from the real world, that can handle any topic, and that can generate any content. He wants to make AI that can grok. But you might be wondering, what the hell does grok even mean? Grok is a word that was coined by the science fiction writer Robert A. Heinlein in his 1961 novel Stranger in a Strange Land. It means to understand something so deeply and completely that you become one with it. It's a word that Musk likes to use to describe his vision for AI. He wants AI that can grok the world and that can grok us. So how does Grok AI grok? Grok AI uses a large language model, or LLM, to generate text, code, and images. A language model is a mathematical system that can predict the next word or character in a sequence of text based on the previous words or characters. A large language model is a language model that has been trained on a huge amount of text data, such as books, articles, websites, and social media posts. By training on such a large and diverse corpus of text, a large language model can learn a lot of information about the world, such as facts, concepts, opinions, and styles. It can also learn how to generate text that is coherent, relevant, and realistic. Grok AI's LLM is based on GPT-4, the latest and most powerful version of the generative pre-trained transformer model developed by OpenAI. GPT-4 is a neural network that has 175 billion parameters, which are the numbers that determine how the network processes the input and produces the output. The more parameters a neural network has, the more complex and nuanced patterns it can learn and generate. For comparison, ChatGPT is based on GPT-3, which has 45 billion parameters, and GPT-2, which has 1.5 billion parameters. GPT-4 is the largest and most capable language model in the world, and it can generate text, code, and images that are astonishingly realistic and diverse. But Grok AI is not just a copy of GPT-4. It has some unique features that make it stand out from the crowd. One of them is its integration with X, the social media platform that Musk owns. Grok AI can access real-time information from X, such as news, trends, opinions, and memes. This gives Grok AI an edge over ChatGPT and other chatbots, as it can provide more relevant and up-to-date responses. It can also handle spicy topics that are rejected by most other AI systems, such as politics, religion, and sex. Grok AI is not afraid to express its own views and opinions, and it can even argue with you if you disagree with it. Grok AI is designed to answer questions with a bit of wit, and has a rebellious streak, so please don't use it if you hate humor. Another feature that Grok AI has is its ability to generate images from your descriptions. You can ask Grok AI to draw anything you want, and it will try to create a graphical artwork for you. Grok AI uses a technique called text-to-image synthesis, which is the process of converting natural language into visual representations. Grok AI can generate images of objects, animals, people, landscapes, and even abstract concepts. Grok AI can also combine text and images to create memes, comics, and posters. Grok AI is not only a chatbot, but also an artist. So, how does Grok AI compare to ChatGPT and other chatbots? Well, there is no definitive answer to that question, as different chatbots have different strengths and weaknesses. ChatGPT is more mature and stable than Grok AI, as it has been around longer and has more users. ChatGPT can also perform a wider range of tasks than Grok AI, such as composing long-form text, creating videos, and coding. ChatGPT is more versatile and reliable than Grok AI, and it can be used for different purposes in various industries. Grok AI, on the other hand, is more innovative and adventurous than ChatGPT, as it has access to real-time information and can handle spicy topics. Grok AI can also generate images from your descriptions, which is something that ChatGPT cannot do. Grok AI is more creative and humorous than ChatGPT, and it can be used for fun and entertainment. Ultimately, the choice between Grok AI and ChatGPT depends on your preferences and needs. If you are looking for a chatbot that can give you realistic and diverse results, then ChatGPT is a good option. If you are looking for a chatbot that can give you updated and witty responses, then Grok AI is a good option. If you are looking for a chatbot that can do both, then you might have to wait a little longer, as the AI technology is still evolving and improving. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on Stock and Hustle.